natin gumising, no? Obviously, naka-bedroom voice pa ako kasi nga 7:30 pa lang. This is our last day here in Cebu. We are going to Tabuan Public Market at tayo ay mamimili ng mga pasalubong. Hopefully, we have a good day at the market. Market na tayo! Tabuan Public Market! This is my second time here. Ang hirap, no? Daming choices sa life. So, tapos na tayo mag-shopping. As you can see, almost 9 kilos sa akin. Worth it naman. Marami tayo mapapasaya. Just here for like 1 hour. Woohoo! Success. Success naman ang ating pabili ng mga pasalubong. Not bad ang dinastos natin. Sobrang dami natin pinamili. Some of those I will bring to China as pasalubong for my mini friends. Pag namimili talaga sa palengke or grocery or salubong center, syempre yung mga chorizo, yung mga danggit, yan talaga. Tsaka yung mango, dried mango. Kasi yun talaga yung ano nila dito. So, yun ang mga in-avail talaga natin. We're on our way back to Jeddah. It was a fun amazing night here in Cebu. Thank you so much to the Department of Tourism and for the ASEAN Korea Center for having me as your host and allowing me to participate in the activities. And sure akong dito last. Kaya, let's go. See you! Honored to be part of this event.